Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Thursday, November 29th. Started off with a mixed choppy trade in the overnight session, but caught a bid and are currently a little bit better as we speak. We're up roughly around a penny in the corn and the wheat, up around 12 cents in the beans, meals up around $4 in the soybean oil, up around 30 points. Later on this morning we'll get our weekly sales. Last week they were pretty sound. As the trade is now starting to continue to monitor what's going on, us versus the rest of the world. Are the rest of the world running out of supplies, and will the buyers that still seemingly are going hand to mouth coming to the U.S. starting to take our supplies, which once again was a little bit of a flag last week. Along with that, we continue to not see much in the way of farmer selling. The farmer sell rate remains very light, and as a result, cash markets remain quite firm. And so this combination of, if the rest of the world is not finding other suppliers and starts to come to the U.S. and starts buying our grain, what will it take to get the farmer to go and sell that grain, thus putting even a stronger bid underneath the market potentially down the road. And then the other thing that the trade is continuing to monitor is this fiscal cliff rhetoric. We'll see how that pans on out. Nothing new in that department. As far as weather goes, in conjunction with this rest of the world supplies versus our supplies and lack of farmer sell rate, is what's going on in South America as we continue to monitor their situation. It continues to be, as far as the forecast goes, of being a little bit too wet in Argentina, and it looks like it's going to stay that way, delaying their planting season. Everything looks to be okay in Brazil. But the biggest thing as far as that goes, it's not so much weather or crop production, it's availability. How soon will they be able to go and start exporting their grains to compensate for their lack of supplies last year versus the potential of business coming back here to the U.S. And that's not even including the logistic problems that can occur there, while the U.S. is even having their own logistic problems. So we're looking at a little bit better start here this morning. Export sales once again in a little bit. See if they don't stay strong. If they do stay strong, it's the farmer sell rate versus it. And once again, continue to keep a bid underneath the market while we await further developments in the South American crop weather progress. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.
It's on the low, 5 to 15.